Alright, this is the video on how to make a meeting on the calendar of Gmail. So first you would go from your inbox, press the calendar, which is this icon right here. You'd open it up in a new tab, which I've already done. It would be this. You press on event. As you can see, I have weekly meets set up already on this, but I'll make a new one. Put in a title. Make it Thursday, February 3rd, 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. We'll make it repeat weekly on Thursday at 1 to 2. You can add any guests you want. I don't have any guests for Gmail, so I'll just add myself. We'll add a meet with it, a location. It and insert a link to screencast, which is what we're using to record this, and then we'll save it, and then it'll send the email to the participants, and they'll all be listed every Thursday for every month. So, yep, every month.